Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process of checking your PC health, downloading Windows 11, and updating it on unsupported hardware. Yes, even if your computer doesn't have TPM 2.0, secure boot, or a supported CPU, you can still run Windows 11. Let's get started. First, we need to check if your PC is supported or unsupported. Open your browser, and go to Microsoft's website to download the PC Health Check app. Install it and run the app. Click on Check Now. If you see a message saying, "This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements," don't worry. I will show you how to bypass it. Go to Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. Download ISO file. After download, extract ISO file. Open command prompt and follow on-screen instruction. And that's it. You have successfully installed and updated Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next video.